In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your ankle mobility, specifically dorsiflexion in this video, whilst using a stick as a prop. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into the half kneeling position, which is what I'm in now. I'm trying to find a 90-degree angle at both knees, so my forward knee and my back knee. That's how I would know I'm in the right half kneeling position. From here, the stick, and you can use any stick for this. I'm using a mobility stick, but you could use something, for example, like a broomstick, and it would work exactly the same. You're going to place this on the outside of the foot. So this stick is currently in contact with my pinky toe, and that is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this, and I'm going to bring it into a position where it's completely straight. Now, with my knee, I'm going to come forwards as far as I can, keeping my heel on the floor. So the whole of my front foot should be in complete contact with the floor as I come forwards. You can hold this position for as long as you want. You can hold it for 5 seconds. You can hold it for 10 seconds, whatever. And then what you're going to do when you come out is now come the opposite side of the stick. And you're going to still try and keep your whole foot in contact. As you come into dorsiflexion, it's a completely different sensation because you're working more of that lateral side of the foot. So again, forwards, work on dorsiflexion, keep the stick in the same position, don't move it to assist, and then you're going to work around the stick, keeping your foot in that same position on the floor at all times. You would repeat that for your desired amount of reps and sets, and hold it for exactly the same amount of time on the other leg as you do on your first leg. So whatever you do on the first leg, repeat exactly the same on the second. There's no right or wrong with how long you have to hold it for. It is personal preference. And that is how you do an ankle dorsiflexion drill with a stick.